Hi, welcome to the amazing world of podcasts. Today we have a very interesting topic. It's about jealousy, being jealous. So let's get started. As usual, you have the sentences taken from the podcast as if it was a use of English part of the exam. Okay, so go ahead. I'm going to show this in 3, 2, 1. Now, yes. So, again, I always try to get words that appear in exams or that I've seen exercises so that they are relatively relevant, or others that are similar. Okay, so for further practice. In other words, so said in a different way. In other words, find out appears very often. So to get information that you don't have, find out, averiguar. As usual, as is very common. Okay, future continuous will be having. Remember, when you have ing or you have any continuous form, you need the correct form of verb to be. So if it is will after will, be. Instead of, rather than, instead of, it's a very typical. Significant, you have to be careful with this one. Significant, the negative, insignificant, the noun, which is common to is significance. Significance is a false friend too. It doesn't mean the meaning. The meaning of threaten is the meaning of threaten, and significance is the importance. The significance of a gesture, the significance of an event. Okay, so significant the adjective, threaten from threat, which is amenaza. Threaten is the verb, and in the third form, threatened. Okay, amenazado. From jealous, jealousy is the noun. You experience jealousy. Okay, feelings of jealousy. Next round. Okay, go ahead. Stop it. In 6 there are 2 correct answers. Okay, because they are synonyms. But one is the one that appeared in the podcast. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Make sure you have it. So as if. Okay, remember that with as if you say present, if you use a present tense, theoretically this means that it is likely to be true. But then it says but in a playful way, so perhaps it's not actually true. Okay, that it's likely to happen. So perhaps it should have been better to say as if you were sexually attracted, but you aren't. Okay, but I'd say that normally flirting is you are attracted, so you are flirting. Okay, so perhaps it makes sense that it's present because probably you are sexually attracted to someone. Then from playful, successful, useful, etc. While would be okay. Okay, while can be the same as whereas or the same as although. You use whereas when there's contrast between 2 different entities. Jealousy involves 3 people, whereas envy involves 2. Okay, contrast between jealousy and envy, 2 different items. Unlike for contrast, anxiety is very common. It's in the final test of the B2 book. And brave enough to do something. It's hot enough to wear shorts. And a conditional. It's quite common too. Okay, normal conditional sentence. Second conditional. Okay, last but one round, and there's an extra one. Get it done. I'm going to show the answer in 3, 2, 1. Make sure you've done it, please, and you've stopped the video, etc. So, from fortune, unfortunately, so you're going to give bad news. This is common to have an adverb at the beginning of the sentence, and sentence adverb followed by a comma, which modifies the whole sentence. Describe something as so jealous that, very common, such a jealous person, or so jealous that. If only he had, this is the same as I wish. I wish plus past perfect, remember, for something that you are sorry about in the past. So if only he had. He didn't, but if only he had. Pretend is a false friend. Pretend is you are not really like that, but you are pretending. So according to this, it makes sense what I said before about are, no? As if you are, that being, well, that should have been past, because it means pretending you are sexually attracted, so you are not. According to it, you are not attracted to someone. Therefore, you should have said, or the other one should have said as if you were, because you are not really sexually attracted. Anyway, and the last one. Okay, try to get it done. I'm going to show this in 3, 2, 1. So from courage, encouraged. Remember, when you write the verb, you may need to change the ending, ing, et, whatever. And then behavioral adjective. So n puts 2 words together which are the same. So you have another adjective here. And that's it. Thank you very much. Bye. That's the children outside shouting.